Positional play. Opponents might expect this first move, but it offers countless A strong response to e4 that I recommend. The uncommon bishop's opening is solid because it activates a minor piece, and developing and attacking at once. Good job stepping in to defend your pawn. Bishop c5 develops the bishop toward the center. Your opening setup is taking shape nicely. They chose kingside castling, getting their king out of the center. This prepares a safe kingside castle for your king. Their pawn attacks your bishop, kicking it. This is a good time for you to get out of trouble. They defended their pawn, which was under attack. Develops the knight and supports the center. They made one of the top moves in this position. Very good choice. They played one of the best moves here. You kick the opposing bishop with a pawn, forcing. This move puts their bishop on a safer square. This is a fine move. You get a chance to attack the bishop. That was an even swap of material. Recaptures. With that move, you chase the bishop away. This is the only move that works. This is an ambitious pawn move that activates. This is a fair trade. You recapture the piece. This move puts their rook on a safer square. Castling on the same side of the board as your opponent is a solid. Their knight comes into play, supporting the center. Your better option was to activate a bishop. This move drops the defense, and now you can simply take the. You want a pawn for free. The queen slips away as white avoids material loss. Your best move was to take an outpost with an. They overlooked the critical move. Not the best move, but not bad either. Your opponent created a passed pawn. Good idea to take the outpost. This move doesn't help their position at all. Your rooks can work together now. Their king steps away from the check by your queen. Your queen makes sure the opponent's pawn cannot move. They move their king out of the check from your queen. You are threatening to force eventual checkmate. They missed the right idea here. You prevented your opponent from being able to force doubling of pawns. They blocked the check from your rook. You continue the checkmate attack. Their king steps away from the check by your queen. You're continuing down the road to checkmate. That was the only move. You're still on the road to checkmate. They move their king out of the check from. You continue the checkmate attack. You can win. That was the only move. Your move gets closer to checkmate. You captured a. They are right on target. You did it. Nice checkmate.